Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Last night, Appa made some, this is fried lapchong with garlic. So I have some lapchong left. I'm going to put it into fried rice. So I gotten my mother-in-law to help me to pre-cook the rice a few hours before. And then I have 2 eggs here, some spring onion for garnishing. And then we have some garlic oil, fried garlic oil, some white pepper, my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, and this is some light soy sauce and salt. So first thing, I'm going to add in some fried garlic and fried garlic oil into the rice. By doing so, not only you are going to enhance the flavor of the rice itself, secondly, you will also make it easier to fry later because of the oil. So first of all, we are going to give it some oil, and let's heat it up. Then we can put in the egg, scramble the egg, when you start seeing the egg started to become like half cooked like this, you can actually add in the rice. By doing so, it will become easier for you to make it into golden color, yeah? See what I mean? Very easily it turns to become golden in color. So let's raise the fire a bit. You want the fire to get the aroma from the rice grain itself. Ooh, I can smell the rice together with the egg right now. Beautiful flavor. And you want your rice to be individual grain, yeah? Try to remove the, what do you call it? It's called crumb. Should there be any? That's why you see me keep on doing the pressing. Now I'm going to tune down the fire because I'm going to add in the seasoning right now. Light soy sauce, some fine salt, some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, 2 dashes of white pepper, the lapchong. I coarsely chopped the lapchong, okay? Now we can raise the heat to medium high. And mix everything nicely together. Ooh, I can smell the light soy sauce. Use a premium light soy sauce here, okay? Right, I haven't added in my spring onion first, but before I add in my spring onion, I'm going to take some out for my daughter. Because if I put in the spring onion right now, later she will take out the spring onion one by one. Which is like 90% done, yeah? Without the spring onion. Okay, this is for my daughter. The rest of us, I'm putting in the spring onion. Give it a few stir and it is done. My lapchong fried rice is ready to be served. Right, this is my Cooking Appa, very simple lapchong golden fried rice. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.